In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in Go High Level. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Go High Level. In the results, look for the official site so you know you're in the right place. Once you're there, find and click the option to log into the app. This will take you to the secure sign-in screen. On the login page, enter your email address and password, or choose the option to sign in with Google if that's how your account is set up. Make sure your credentials are correct and keep them private. After a moment, you'll be logged into your dashboard. If you have access to multiple accounts or locations, you may see a prompt that says, "Click here to switch." Go ahead and click that, then choose the specific account you want to work in. Picking the correct account is important because your contacts and conversations are tied to that workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Contacts. This is where all your leads and customers are organized. You'll likely see them grouped under Smart Lists, which helps you filter and segment who you're looking at. Find the person you want to email and click directly on their name to open their profile. In the middle of the screen, you'll see the Conversations panel. This shows the full history of your interactions with that contact across different channels. At the bottom of this panel, click the Email tab. That switches the Composer to email mode, so anything you type will be sent as an email rather than a text or another message type. Now it's time to write your message. Keep your subject line clear and useful, and write your email in a friendly, concise tone. If available in your account, you can personalize the body with merge fields like the contact's first name to make it feel more tailored. Keep it readable with short paragraphs and double-check the recipient's address on the contact record. If you don't see the option to email, you may need to confirm that email is enabled for your account or reach out to your admin. Before sending, take a quick moment to proofread for typos and confirm your message says exactly what you intend. When everything looks good, click Send. The email will appear in the conversation thread so you can see it alongside any replies. You can return here later to follow up, keep notes, and continue the conversation without losing context. That's it. You opened Go High Level, logged in, selected the right account, found your contact, composed your message in the Email tab, and sent it with confidence.